Hey guys, it's been a minute since I've shown you guys my patio. It's also been a while since I've done any maintenance out there. So today I'm giving it a full reset, cleaning things up, repotting my big Thai Constellation, a couple of my cacti, and just showing you guys what's growing out there. It's a small patio, but when it's all put together, it's definitely one of my favorite spaces. So let's get into it. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is JC, and like I mentioned in the intro, we'll be spending some time out on a patio. It's gonna be a hot one today, and I'm not exactly looking forward to it, but it needs to be done. The outdoor plants doesn't always get the attention that they deserve, and I love this space, so just having a nice refreshed patio just makes everything feels better. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here's the current patio situation. So like I said, not that bad, just need a little bit of cleaning. um, that's the big Thai Constellation I need to repot, and I just need to organize and get rid of some of the things that's there that I'm not really using, and just to like free up some space. But yeah, it's a small patio, but I really like it. Gets really dusty, obviously because it's outside, so I just need to like sweep and clean. But yeah. All right, let me just give you a quick tour of my plants here. So first I have this spiral cactus. I wanted to change the pot because this is plastic, so I think I wanna get something nicer, and I want to refresh the soil. So I think it's get rid of this weed. But yeah, so that's definitely what I'm gonna do today. So this is my big ficus shiverina that I've grown from a single leaf cutting. I probably mentioned that like 1,000 times, but it's definitely one of my proudest moment, just because this used to be like so crazy expensive, like way before it was TC'd. Like a cutting of this would have been like super expensive. Definitely proud of this plant, but it's leaning. I definitely need to adjust the pole because it's leaning sideways. Love this plant so much. I mean, look at that crazy variegation. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this here, so I'm gonna water you later. Next is my other Dracaena, but it's such a big pot. But this used to live inside, but it's just way too big. Oh look, a hummingbird. This is my Thai Constellation I got from Costco. This is the number one I'm gonna do today. I need to repot it. It's still in the same pot, same soil from Costco. I've never touched it. I don't know the root situation. Got burnt a little bit. Feel like I need to move her. By the way, this is south facing, so the sun is pretty strong. So it's getting burnt a little bit. So I might have to cut some of the lower leaves when I repot it. I don't know, we'll see. Oh, first, this is the Soderoy. It's doing well. There's like 2 grow points. And this is my monkey tail that I need to repot today. But I need to figure out what I'm gonna do because I still want it hang, or I might just get something and put a pot and just put it here. I like having it here because when I water it's just kind of like drip. Because I hate moving it because like these breaks easily, like if you like accidentally drop it. So we'll see. And this is my variegated Hindu rope. It's doing so well. This part is getting a little too variegated, but it's okay. It's growing, so this part is nicely even, so this one's nice. Next, these are the plants I just decided to throw out here. I have an extra gloriosum here. It's a new growth, so it's doing well. I don't know what's going on with this leaf. I might just cut it off. I have another Hoya here. It's a Ovovata Splush. And I threw my pink princess out here. And it seems to be doing much better because now it's giving all these crazy color. I put a UPI here. Also put my Esqueleto here. And I have another Ficus shiverina. And just another cactus. hummingbird feeder, which I get a lot of hummingbirds here, so it's really fun to watch. Okay, first we're gonna deal with is this Thai Constellation I got from Costco. Definitely it's still in the same pot of when I got it. I don't know what the root situation. Yeah, there's definitely a little bit of rot and dry roots, so we'll see. So I'm definitely cutting a lot of the ugly leaves down here. I already have a Thai Constellation, but this one has a almost creme brulee variegation. That's why I grabbed it. I am going to, let's see. Actually, it was better than I expected. For some reason, I was expecting like way worse, but the roots actually looks good. I don't know why I thought it's gonna be like rotted and dry, but it's actually, it just needed a big pot. It's root bound. Okay, so that's good. I'm not gonna try to, I'm just gonna leave it as is. And I'm just gonna get a bigger pot and fresh soil. And I think this is gonna be good. Okay, so this is the pot I'm going for. Not super big. I'm gonna just use a store-bought potting mix, and I'm just gonna add a lot of perlite. I decided not to use my Aroid mix just because it's gonna be outside. I don't want it to dry out too fast, so I think this will be good. Pretty good potting mix, and I'm gonna add a lot of perlite so it makes it extra chunky. Ugh. I'm already sweating, but it's all good. So this is what the potting mix looks like. I'm pretty happy with it. I think I want to cut some of the leaves just because some of them are like burnt. So I'm gonna cut this. This one too. I'm gonna cut the other bottom leaves too. Yeah, this one's burnt too, so sorry. Down to 3 leaves. But this is what's left. Okay. Yeah, one of the leaves is a little burnt right now, but with some fresh soil, I think she'll do much better. All right, next I want to repot is this spiral cactus. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it, but I found some gloves inside. I think this should work. Okay, maybe not. Ugh, that hurts a lot. Okay, because what I want to do is plant it directly into this pot. I just don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm scared to break it, but I think it's better if I do it on the floor. All right, here goes nothing. Oops, it's okay. Just gonna let gravity do its thing. Okay, these gloves is useless. Hey. Might be a little too small. Let's see. I think it'll be okay. Yeah. I mean, all right, let me see if I have another one. So I don't have anything bigger, but I think I'm okay with this one. It's not super root bound anyway. Got a cactus and succulent mix here. I'm gonna put a ow, wow, wow. I'm just filling the sides, and I'm trying to direct it towards this side so that it's more straight. Okay. Much better. It's not as root bound as I thought it's gonna be. I just didn't like the pot just because it's just plastic. Like I wanted something heavy so that it can hold it, because it's starting to get taller, so I'm scared the wind will just like knock it over. So I feel much better with this. Cool. All right. Okay. Next I'm gonna do is my monkey tail. It just really needed a repot because I don't know if you can see, but it's like already coming out of the pot just because it's getting top heavy. And I just need to repot it now because I haven't repotted it since like last year. Like, and I'm really careful too because the legs or the tails, they're easy to break. I don't know if you can see, but this one is already like sort of breaking. I'm gonna try to use this pot, but yeah, so first is, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. See? Broke it already. I might have to do it on the floor. Breaking stuff. Okay, that was actually not bad. Let's see how we're going to do this. Ugh. Okay. Ow. There you go. Okay. And then this, I'm just gonna directly plant in the soil. They root pretty easily. Okay, I think that's good. So now I need to water it. I'm just gonna let it dry for a little bit and I'll put it back. It's a little messy on top just because of the soil, but I think when it's a little dry, I'll brush it a little bit. Okay, so while the monkey tail is drying, I'm gonna water the rest of the plants here. Starting this. Let's see, boy. This is still good. Okay, so while the plants are drying, I think I'm gonna wipe down the shelves here because it gets really dusty out here. Okay, I think I'm gonna put the monkey tail here for now. Until I figure out, because I need to get a bigger like ring. I think it's a little too small for that pot, so I need to find something bigger. But in the meantime, I'll just be here for now. I just have to be really careful. I just make to make sure I don't accidentally knock it over, because I think I'll be fine. Alright guys, that's all for me today. Thank you again for joining. I hope you guys enjoyed that. As always, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.